This recording video is showing you how to register the terminal to the bus Wi-Fi platform. In default, your bus Wi-Fi terminal have configured to register to our demo platform. That is our demo platform URL is in this. If you don't want to use your platform and just use our demo platform to make the test, you don't need to do any you don't need to change any config of the of your terminal. Let me show you the status on the terminal on the platform. Let's log in the platform. Use a test account. We mainly use the admin accounts login because it has all the permission to view all the groups. If your terminal is online, that means it can access to the internet, and it can alternate to register to the media Wi-Fi platform, and it is assigned to the default groups, such as the default routes. And if you want to register the media, if you have prepared the media Wi-Fi platform on your site and you want to register to another platform, we can change the platform URL. Let's take an example. First, let your router, the bus Wi-Fi router, connect to the PC. We can try ping it. The default IP is as 8.1. You can ping. It can be pinged because after it is connected. So that we turn to the free Wi-Fi assistant. That is the free Wi-Fi download tool. In the following, let's start to edit the update URL and the update server. Make sure the configure it is on the CLI config and the run config. Let's export the config via the free Wi-Fi assistant first. Click Export Configurations and select a folder such as my desktop, my Wi-Fi config, and select a folder. And I have export in advance as below, as on the Windows. Open the CLI config with the edit with Notepad++ and find out the server. Update server. So that you can change it. You can change the update server to your old platform server. Your URL, just change your IP here of your platform. Now I don't need to change because it is the demo platform. After we change it, we save it, and next. Next, we open the run config, edit with Notepad++. Check the config. We find out the link. On this line, we just change the IP and port. It is in line with your demo platform. Now your platform Now it is on my platform have changed OK, so I just save it. After change the config, we need to import the configuration back to the terminal. Turn to the Free Wi-Fi Assistant and click import configurations. Select my Wi-Fi config and select the folder. It will import the configure. And it is completely. After you have changed the config, you would better restart the device, reboot the terminal. And here it is notes. And we go through to this. Now the terminal was restarted successfully, and let's continue and log in the platform. And as you can see, my terminal have inserted a SIM card and it is running well, so it should auto connect to our demo platform. Let's check the SN number, and you can also see on the panel on the label. Yes, you check it and use the admin account to log in to view it on the platform. I have logged in, so I can directly find out it. This is the terminal that was auto registered to the platform now. It is in the default group, but if you couldn't view the default root, you don't have the permission to view the default root group with the login account, such as you try an account with the test account. For example, if your account is this test account, you may not have the permission to view the default root. So you should ask your super account owner using the super account to assign the root to your group. Now let me show you how to use the super account to assign the root to the test user. The super user login and to assign it. This is the UI of the super user. Generally, he should create a test account, such as created tester, and also it should create the test group. The user is managing the test group. Let's view it. It is controlling the test group. And after we have created the user, we assign the terminal from the default group to the test group. Oh, let's check it. Click adjust root and select test group. Let's try to anyone. Any the tips shows error, and you can turn to use the test. It is successfully for the assigned. Now my terminal is on the test group now. Oh, let's turn to use the test group and log in to view it. It is on my group now. Okay, that's all. Here's all the steps for register your bus Wi-Fi terminal to the Media Wi-Fi platform.